Former Marshall baseball player and Herbert Hoover native Corey Bird is now playing in the major leagues with Miami. Bird got pulled up to the Marlins less than 24 hours ago, and tomorrow he will take on the New York Yankees. Talk about a first major game. Bird went to high school at Herbert Hoover, and he led the Huskies to the state tournament in back-to-back years, 2012 and 2013. Then he went on to play for the Thundering Herd from 2014 to 2016 before entering the minors. He was playing AAA ball with the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp when the Miami Marlins purchased his contract. He says he's a little nervous about tomorrow, and he's thankful to have some people around him he can lean on.
It's been great. So I got caught up with a guy named Preston Gilmet, and he just turned, I believe, 34 on Tuesday. And he's been in the big leagues for a while with a lot of different teams. And I'm 25, and this is my first call up. So for me to have him is like, I mean, it's awesome. Like he's, showing me the ropes, showing me what to do, what not to do. So it's been great.
Tonight, tune back in at 11 o'clock to hear more from Bird and his journey to the big leagues.